Well, what do you think? What is it? Worthington Glacier. We hiked down to the glacier and the waterfalls.
Yep. It's mile marker, I think 29 coming out of Valdez, and it's
Incredible.
It's beautiful. Waterfalls.
I hope.
First stop today, which is July 5th, is at Glacier View Park. Picnic and viewing area. You can barely see the glacier up top. It feeds down to this beautiful lake. Snow and icebergs in it.
When we left Glacier View Lake, we seen this tunnel on the side of the road and decided to stop and explore it. It turned out to be an old railroad tunnel that was never finished.
But look at all the ice. Yeah, I bet that water's cold.
It's like a swan. Look how pretty that is. It looks like a piece of glass or crystal, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's so clear.
Look at the sun. We put shade shadow on it.
I'll get a hold of it.
That's cold.
Jack back now. Getting chilly.
I think they just fill it. Want to take it?
All right, we are doing the Worthington Glacier Trail, hiking up to the waterfalls and a little bit closer to the glacier. Got the whole bunch with us. It's going to be a pretty rough hike, I think, but it's not very long. So. Worthington Glacier. We hiked down to the glacier and the waterfalls.
Yep. It's at mile marker, I think 29, coming out of Valdez. And it's
Incredible.
beautiful. Waterfalls.
I hope you can hear us. The wind is blowing really hard now.
Glacier tunnel. And then there's a beautiful pond down here where the water runs to.
Yeah, you can see how the glacier shaped this valley. I'll turn it around and show you, but it reminds me of Glacier National Park.
It does.
And you can definitely see how it shaped the valley down through here.
Yep.
So I'll turn you around here. See how you can see how it's shaped. You can see exactly where the glacier used to be. It's gorgeous.
I did.
Is it still on?
What was that?
Thompson's Pass.
Hi guys, we're here at the Thompson Pass Trail. I don't know what else to say. The scale, I'm gonna send it on to you.
All right, so that is a Thompson Pass Trail, and it is 0.97 out and back. So we're gonna hike out here, see the views, have some lunch, and then come back and do the other one, maybe. Incredible is this? It just we keep saying it over and over. Oh my gosh. I just can't believe we're here. I just can't believe we're here. This is just the most amazing Incredible. Wow. Wow. It almost makes me cry. It's so beautiful. Got a game going on now. The count. The count is 3 balls, 1 strike. Here comes the pitch. And dirtbag.
You down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you're still recording. Good.
I can't get up.
Need a hand? Hey, Dylan, give your mom a hand.
Are you recording the whole time?
I think so.
And with that, we are going to go ahead and end this video right here.
I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did.
If you did, make sure you give us a like,
Leave a comment.
share with your friends.
Hit that notification bell so you can follow along with us.
On next week's video, we're going to take you on an Alaskan wildlife cruise. So remember,
Life's a blessing.
so enjoy the journey. Bye.